In this video, we're going to look at the classic geometry setup of a line and a point not on the line, and we want to find the unique parallel that passes through the point that is parallel to the given line. So we're going to do this through the classic construction method. And so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pair of compasses. I'm going to put the point of the compass on the point itself, and I'm going to open the compass so that the pencil part of it drops just below the line. And I'm going to make an arc that crosses the line in two places. So I have this arc here with two intersections. Then I'm going to put my point of my compass on the first intersection, and I'm going to make an arc that goes up this direction, followed by moving over to put the point on this intersection and moving another arc. Notice that the first arc here goes directly through the original point that we had on the paper. Next, I'm going to look at this new intersection that is the arc that contains the original point and intersects the line down here. I'm putting the point of my compass here and then opening my compass so that the writing part of it is on the point. So now you can see as I mark this, I am going directly through that point. I'm going to move down the line to this other intersection, place the point of my compass at that intersection, and mark across this arc. That gives me a little X here and a little X here. I'm going to move my ruler in here and put my ruler so that the intersection of the two X's line up on that edge, and I'm going to make my parallel line. So now I have this brown line here passing through the point and parallel to the original line. So the parallel postulate tells us that given a point not on a line and a line, that we have a unique line parallel to the original line passing through the point. And so we've demonstrated the construction of that. Cheerful calculations.